Welcome back. Let's now talk about payroll accounting. Okay, what is payroll accounting? Okay, payroll accounting um, in simple terms, it is the recording, um, analyzing, summarizing, and reporting of salaries, wages, and their related deductions, taxes, which include taxes, and the net pay, that is the take-home pay, the pay an employee receives at the end of the month, or if it is at the end of a fortnight, right? So that's what payroll accounting in simple terms is, right? So let me um So, as I said, payroll accounting tracks employee compensation, that is the salaries, the deductions, and tax obligations. Okay, so uh, it ensures that accurate payments and legal compliance are done, right? So, when doing a payroll, what are the key stakeholders? Who are the people interested in knowing what is somebody's salary, what are their deductions, and how much taxes are being paid, and also at the end of the day, what is the take-home pay of employees, right? So, in terms of stakeholders, we're talking about employers. So, employers are key stakeholders. They have to make sure that the amount they're paying employees is accurate. Okay, they have to make sure that employees were indeed present in that particular month or period. Then we have also the employees. So these ones also have to make sure that um, their pay at the end of the period is accurate or correct, and also the deductions are also are correct. Then we also have government. So the government, especially the tax department, they are interested in knowing what is the pay or the compensation for employees, and how much out of that compensation is being deducted as taxes to be paid to that revenue authority. Okay, in the US, they may call them IRA. Here in Malawi, we call them the Malawi Revenue Authority, right? So government is another stakeholder. And also we have accountants. Accountants are stakeholders in the payroll processing because in some organizations, they prepare the payroll, okay? Well, in others, they don't. And also at the same time, they have to know the general ledger impact of the composition and the related deduction. What will be the impact like, right? So that's what I can say on introduction to payroll. So as I see, payroll accounting, um, it is the process of recording and managing all financial data related to employee compensation. This includes not just wages or salaries, but also bonuses, deductions, employer contributions to Social Security, and pension and taxes withheld, right? So That is, in a nutshell, that's the definition of payroll accounting. So now let's go to the importance of payroll accounting in a business. So payroll is one of the largest expenses for most businesses, especially those that are labor intensive, right? So, for instance, if it is a construction company, okay, you hire a lot of laborers, so payroll will also be among the largest expenditure items in your budget, right, or in your financials, right? So, accurately managing payroll ensures that employees are paid correctly and on time. Okay, if uh, there's accurate management of payroll, right? You make sure that there are no errors, and also people are being paid or not on time. And also, if payroll is being managed well, it ensures that it complies with the statutory obligations, right? What is what are statutory obligations? These are um, your commitments or an organization's commitments to the government, right? And also, it ensures that there is accurate financial reporting and budgeting, because if you have accurate compensation figures in your budgets, right, or in your general ledger, it ensures that the reports you produce are what are accurate, and also there is positive employee morale and trust, because there are no errors, they are being paid in good time. So at the end of the day, employees will be motivated and also trust um, your organization, right? So the payroll has a process, so which is and this also should be my outline for this course. So it starts with time tracking. Okay, what I mean by time tracking is the employer has to know um, how much time employees have worked in that particular period, right? So that's step number one. Step number two, you need to calculate gross pay. Okay, gross pay calculation. This simply means all the compensation employees receive. So that's gross pay. Number three, I'll talk about deductions and net pay. So deductions, this is what you get out of. This is what you subtract from the what? From the gross pay. And at the same time, you get the net pay or the take-home pay. This is the pay that the employee actually receives, right? And then number four, we have posting and payments, right? So here is we're talking about posting to the GL, and then reporting and the record keeping, right? So this is where you report to various stakeholders. Okay, maybe the government authorities need to know how much taxes you're paying, or your project manager needs to know how much we are doing, or how are we faring against the budget on the payroll budget line. So that's this is the process, the payroll process, or the payroll process overview, right? So for now, let me stop there, and when I come back, I'll talk about time tracking. Thank you.